Need irrigation system maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park? Keeping your irrigation system in top shape is essential for a healthy lawn and efficient water use. At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialize in expert maintenance and fast, reliable repairs to keep your system running smoothly. From clogged sprinkler heads to leaks and system failures, our experienced team provides affordable, high-quality solutions tailored to Sherwood Park's unique climate. Whether you need routine servicing or an urgent repair, we ensure your irrigation system stays efficient all year long. With transparent pricing, expert technicians, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, we're Sherwood Park's trusted choice for irrigation system maintenance, service and repair. Ready to keep your irrigation system performing at its best? Call Kingstree Plumbing today at 780-695-2792 or book online now.